Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Pisces. These are for your daily energies, guys. This is for your career situation and this is for your love energy, and one card from the oracle guidance deck, guys. So that is a general guidance, guys. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Pisces. So for your daily energies, we'll start with that. I hope you like this way of reading, guys. If you do, please comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So for your daily energies, Pisces, it's King of Wands, it's Five of Cups and Two of Swords in reverse. So with these cards, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are refusing to see some things. What is there right now in your present situation, guys. So you are just simply brooding over your past, wishing that things would have gone in a different way, and you are just crying over what has been lost. So your past is haunting you, but you are unable to see what you have right now. The things in your present, maybe some blessings in present, it may be your present someone in your present situation who is interested in you, or some success in your situation which you are not able to see and enjoy because of this past, which is blinding you, which is hurting you a lot today, guys. That is what I see. And you are a person of irresistible charm. Many people are attracted to you, guys. They are simply attracted to your physical beauty, maybe, or your character, and you handle your situation effectively. You are a person who simply has that authority over other people by your charm. So people are greatly attracted to that quality of yours. But today you are simply sad for something that you have lost in your life. It may be a person, a past connection, maybe, guys. So that is what I see. That may be the energy here. And also for some of you, this loss, it would have been maybe because that person is not trustworthy, or they are not reliable. They would have cheated you in some ways, guys, maybe, or someone is trying to cheat you right now. That may be the reason for the sadness that you're feeling today, guys. Pisces, that is what I see. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Six of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, it may be denoting some kind of suspensions or a fear about some outcomes or some result in your work situation. Maybe you are expecting something, but you are afraid that it may not come according to your expectations, and you are afraid of the result. So some kind of apprehension towards some situation is there in your situation. You are expecting some result, and you are not having that peace in your mind, thinking of that situation, guys. So how things may go, you are really stressed today. That is what I see, Pisces. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Four of Swords. So with this card, guys, I see that you are deeply thinking in your situation, in this connection with this person. Maybe for some of you, you are in a breakup, or you may be in a temporary separation, maybe after some arguments or some misunderstandings. You are thinking within yourself what should be your next plan of action, and what are your positive characters, or and what are that other person's positive characters, and what are the strengths and weaknesses in this connection. And you are coming to a decision based on that thinking. You are contemplating your situation today, Pisces. That is what I see. So let us see what is the card for your guidance, the oracle guidance, guys. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a guidance. So it may be an answer to some questions we have in our mind, or it may be just a guidance what we need to do today, just to make this day a better one, guys. So let us see what is the card. Peace. A beautiful card here, guys. So just by the name of the card, we just know what is the meaning. It denotes peace. So peace in our situation. So in whatever our situation is, we need to have that radical acceptance. So freedom from that wanting and attachment and expectation. So when we go for that, when we have that freedom from expectation, when we feel happy for what our situation really is, we will see that we are simply harmonious in our present situation, and we will be happy and we will be enjoying this situation, guys. And also this is a very auspicious card here, guys. This just denotes that we will be able to enjoy that perfect harmony in this relationship if we are able to align with this person, with this other person. We will enjoy that peace, calmness and well-being, guys. And even in your career situation today, you need to do what you are doing right now. So what you're doing right now is enough. If you are happy however things are going, so no matter what is your situation, if you do it without expectation, you will see that it will relate in your work. Your happiness and the peace and harmony you feel in your heart, it will automatically relate in your work, and it will create your prosperity for you, guys. That is what this card is about. And sometimes even when you do not have that alignment with that other person, that perfect connection, that deep understanding, when you don't share that understanding with that other person, maybe you should find that peace and happiness in yourself and not in that other person. So when you have that understanding that even this situation will change, this too will change, you will see that peace radiating in your heart of hearts, and you'll be happy however things are in the outer world. So that is what this card is about, Pisces, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.